Welcome back to SeedScope. Now that your valuation report is ready, let's walk through the dashboard and show you what all these numbers actually mean and how to use them in fundraising. At the top, you'll see your current valuation. In this case, SeedScope estimates the startup's valuation at $6.4 million. This number is market-based and calculated using data, your answers, and comparable startups. Right next to it is your total score, which summarizes how strong your startup looks overall. Next to it, you'll see the risk coefficient. A lower number here means lower perceived risk, which is critical for early-stage investors. Together, these help investors quickly understand quality and downside. SeedScope also gives an overall investment assessment. In this example, the startup is labeled as an excellent choice for investment. This is the kind of signal investors look for when scanning opportunities. In the valuation summary section, you can see your current valuation again, your active fundraising amount, and when the report was last updated. You can download this report, share it with investors, or start a new valuation anytime as your startup evolves. SeedScope projects potential future outcomes. You'll see estimated Series A and Series B, and further valuations, success ratios, time to exit estimates, and investment quality indicators. These metrics help founders and investors think beyond today and understand long-term potential. At the top, you can also see your previous valuation reports, making it easy to track how your valuation changes over time. For investors, this progress tracking is critical. It shows momentum, improvement, and execution. On the right, you'll see a spider chart visualizing key dimensions like traction, competition, and readiness levels. This makes it easy to spot strengths, weaknesses, and where improvements will have the biggest impact. Next, we'll dive deeper into what drives these numbers and how you can improve them. As you scroll down, this is where SeedScope starts turning numbers into insights. First, you'll see the executive summary. This section explains your startup's growth drivers, market readiness, valuation trajectory, and how you compare within your competitive landscape. Think of this as the investor-style narrative behind your valuation. Next is the what-if simulator. Here, you can simulate how improvements in areas like product maturity, team strength, or sales efficiency could impact your valuation and success potential. This helps founders understand where to focus before fundraising to increase leverage. Below, you'll see ROI multipliers across different outcomes. SeedScope estimates potential returns at Series A, Series B, and even unicorn-level scenarios. These numbers help investors understand upside and help founders frame long-term potential during conversations. SeedScope also shows you a snapshot of your competitive landscape. Here, you can see comparable companies, when they raised, and at what stage. This gives context to your valuation and helps ground discussions in real market examples. One of the most important sections is the pros and cons analysis. On the pros side, SeedScope highlights what strengthens your investment case. Things like product differentiation, scalability, traction, and team dynamics. On the cons side, it flags potential concerns investors may raise, such as margins, funnel efficiency, or team structure. This isn't criticism. It's preparation. Lastly, in the Profile and Settings section, you can manage your startup details, update your information, and control how your profile appears to investors. As your company evolves, you can always come back, update your data, and keep your valuation current. Keeping your profile up to date ensures your insights, valuation, and investor visibility always reflect where your startup truly stands. That's a quick overview of the SeedScope dashboard and how to use it strategically. In the next video, we'll showcase the valuation report itself and show you how to use it in real fundraising conversations. See you in the next video.